Hello, my name's Darren Edwards and welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas SharePoint 2013, brought to you by ImageFast. Today we're going to be looking at business intelligence. So what is business intelligence? Well, business intelligence, often referred to as BI, is actually defined as the aggregation, storage and analysis of data for the purpose of informing business decision makers. But really, what we're actually interested in today is the applications that actually make up the business intelligence suite in SharePoint 2013. And if you're looking at the business intelligence applications, what they actually do is take raw data and turn it into meaningful information that enables more informed, better business decisions by knowledge workers where and when they want it. So if we look at what the business intelligence applications from Microsoft encompass, there's three key areas. First of all, you've got Microsoft Office, so with applications such as Excel and Visio. It gives the user the ability to actually interact with the data, to manipulate the data in a way that they want so they can get the reporting information that they actually require. Microsoft SQL Server. So obviously this is where all of the information is stored and managed. Obviously with SQL Server it gives you the ability to store lots and lots of information in lots and lots of different ways, data warehousing, and obviously the information that's there. And then finally Microsoft SharePoint Server. So within SharePoint Server there's many applications that are built around that, and SharePoint is really a way of getting that information to users as and when they require it, with things like dashboards and the ability to manipulate and drill down through particular aspects of their data. So if we look at Microsoft SharePoint and the business intelligence applications that are available within SharePoint, the first one we'll look at is Performancepoint Services. So this is something that enables you to create and use centrally managed dashboards that are always up to date and include a variety of reports and scorecards. So really this is a way of managing all of your information in one central point, so any knowledge worker can very quickly go and look at a dashboard or a scorecard to see how a particular business function or how, for instance, a manufacturing plant is currently going along. Secondly, you have Excel services. So in SharePoint, this enables you to share, secure and manage Microsoft Excel workbooks as interactive reports. So from a user point of view, it's almost looking at an Excel spreadsheet. You can obviously display the whole workbook, or you can take individual components of a workbook and put it into a browser window. It's a very, very powerful feature. And obviously with Excel, it also gives you the ability for Excel BI. So now with obviously 2013, it gives you the ability for in-memory BI capability, so you can store millions of rows of data in the business intelligence application within Excel that allows users to manipulate and move that. You obviously have the add-on applications, so Power View and Power Pivot, that allow a user to drill down and actually do some analysis on that data and create the information where and then they want. So this is actually bringing effectively business intelligence applications to an ordinary user and giving them the ability to drill down and manage and report on information. The third component is the Visio services, and what this actually does is allow you to publish visual diagrams to a SharePoint site. So here it's probably best to come up with an example. So imagine if you're an organisation, you have many manufacturing sites across either the UK, the world, or at geographical locations. And what you can actually have is effectively a graphical representation of what's happening at each site. So data can be feeding up into SharePoint about how your manufacturing site, is production going, is it red, amber, green? Have we got the throughput in terms of output that we require, etc., etc. But all of this is effectively viewed within a Visio diagram. And then what you have the ability to do is obviously pan around and drill into specific applications and then report on that particular data. The fourth part we'll look at is the chart web parts. And what these enable you to do is to create and add charts to a SharePoint site, such as a dashboard that can be used by a user or individual or team. And these web parts can pick information from SharePoint lists, from external lists, using the business data services, which is a way of accessing application in other databases and other applications, or obviously things like linking into Excel services or other web parts. But from a point of view, what that allows you very quickly to do as an organisation is to create charts that can be visually available to the users, to different people on the SharePoint system, that they can very quickly look at, drill down in and actually see where the data is and how a particular business function or something is going along. And then finally, we have the SharePoint status indicators. And these are just really simple reports that show performance information. So status indicators can tell you whether performance is on track, is off target, for any particular performance measure. And again, this is information that's fed in from lots of different locations and can be used throughout the SharePoint site. So really what we've done is just given you a quick overview of the key 5 SharePoint business intelligence applications. In truth, this is probably a subject which we could spend many hours talking about. There's lots more information that is available, and obviously it's one of the most powerful features of SharePoint is the whole business intelligence aspects. So anyway, I hope this has been useful, and I'll look forward to seeing you again at the SharePoint 2013 12 Days of Christmas.